try and understand the reasons behind you wanting to learn how to code. So this might be curiosity about how coding works, about the opportunities that it might open. You might be pursuing a passion, or you might be solving a problem and you find that coding is the best way to help you get there. Whatever it is, just try to take some time, have a think, and jot down your reasons, and maybe jot down a goal or two that you want to achieve through the purpose of learning to code. This is really important because when you are coding and when you're learning lots of new syntax and exciting languages, it can be really challenging and it does take a lot of motivation and commitment. So when you are maybe lacking in motivation or you've hit a hurdle that you're trying to get over, sometimes it's really powerful just to go back and remind yourself of those original goals that you set.